Welcome. If you're new to meditation or new to my meditations, consider watching this video first. Today we're going to explore a powerful and simple tool for calming the mind and reconnecting with the body, triangular breathing. The method I use is a slight variation of box breathing. I'll explain shortly. Whether you're brand new to breathing practices or you've tried meditation before, this technique is easy to follow and deeply effective. It only takes a few minutes and can shift your entire day. Typically, box breathing is also known as square breathing, and it's used by many people from elite athletes to people managing anxiety, stress, or overwhelm. Why is it called box breathing? Imagine a square. It has 4 equal sides, just like the breath pattern. Inhale, hold, exhale, hold. Each step usually lasts the same number of seconds, generally 4 seconds. However, I like to use a variation. I make the exhale slightly longer than the hold, and the inhale slightly shorter than both the hold and the exhale. We'll use this in a breathing exercise, but first, let's delve into an explanation of why I use this triangular method. Why a longer exhale? Because the exhale activates your parasympathetic nervous system. I'm the queen of shortcuts. The long exhale is a way of hacking your brain by activating its natural off switch for stress. The parasympathetic nervous system controls your body's rest, digest, and restore states. When your exhale is longer than your inhale, you're telling your nervous system, it's safe now. You can let go. Think of your inhale like drawing light in, like sun rising in the morning. Your exhale is like the rays of sunlight gently stretching out across the sky and releasing. Balance, then release. Now let's discuss diaphragmatic breathing. There's a muscle in your body called the diaphragm. It's shaped like a dome and sits right below your lungs. You might not notice it, but it's a big part of how you breathe. When you breathe in, your diaphragm tightens and moves down, giving your lungs more space to fill up with air. But when you breathe out, it relaxes and moves back up, pushing the air out of your lungs. Babies naturally use their diaphragms when they breathe. That's why their bellies rise and fall. But as we grow up, we start breathing more from our chest instead. Things like stress or sucking in our stomachs to look thinner can make this worse. The result? Shallow, tight breathing that doesn't feel very satisfying. That's where diaphragmatic breathing comes in. It's also called belly breathing. It helps you breathe more deeply, taking in more oxygen and releasing more carbon dioxide. This helps your heart slow down and can even help your blood pressure stay steady. Let's practice some belly breathing. Lie down on your back, bend your knees if you choose. You can also use pillows under your head and knees if it's more comfortable. If you prefer, you can also do this while sitting in a chair. Just keep your shoulders relaxed. Feel free to pause this video while you get into a comfortable position. Put one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. Breathe in slowly through your nose. Feel the hand on your stomach rise, while the one on your chest stays still. Breathe out slowly through your mouth, like you're blowing through a straw. When breathing out, you should feel your stomach contract, and only the hand on your stomach moving. If your chest is moving too, you are not breathing using your diaphragm. Try it for a few minutes each day. It might feel strange at first, but with practice, it gets easier, and your body will thank you for it. So in summary, the diaphragm helps your lungs fill and empty air. Deep belly breathing, using this muscle, gives your body more oxygen and helps you feel calmer. Many people forget how to do this as they grow older, but it's easy to relearn with a little practice. Let's try an exercise together now. Wherever you are, just take a moment to get comfortable. You can be sitting or lying down. Allow your shoulders to drop. Gently relax your face, your brows, temples, mouth, unclench your jaw. Now soften your gaze or close your eyes. I suggest softening your gaze, just closing your eyes halfway. Begin by noticing your breath, just as it is. Don't judge it or try to change it. Just notice it for a few breaths. Now let's breathe together, using diaphragmatic breathing and a triangular version of the box rhythm using a long exhale. We'll breathe in to the count of 4 and hold to the count of 5. Exhale to the count of 6, and then we'll repeat. I'll guide you through a few rounds. Ready? Inhale. Hold. Exhale slowly. Inhale. Hold. Exhale slowly. Last one. Inhale. Hold. Exhale slowly. Well done. You just reset your nervous system in under 2 minutes. This is something you can do anytime. Use it before a stressful meeting, after a stressful meeting, after an argument, while stuck in traffic, or simply to start your day with clarity, or end your day with clarity. Your breath is always here, waiting for you to remember it. Each inhale brings renewal. Each exhale brings release. And you are the calm within the storm. Remember, one mindful breath is a meditation. Box breathing usually means 4 equal breaths. Exhaling longer than you inhale is a body hack that is like telling your nervous system to chill out. Deep breathing helps to control stress and overall well-being, including improving brain function. Food can put pressure on your internal organs, so it's best to practice before eating. Thank you for breathing with me today. If this helped you, I invite you to subscribe for more gentle tools like this one and more meditations. Until next time, be well, breathe deeply, and trust the rhythm of your life. Much love, Monique.